What's up guys, Technology for All here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the SteelSeries Merc Stealth Gaming Keyboard. So in front of the box, we have a picture of the keyboard itself, detailed information about the keyboard, and the 3 color LED settings that it comes with, red, blue, and purple. And on the top right, we have the SteelSeries logo. And on the back of the box, we have more information about the keyboard and some pictures. And now it's time to get the keyboard out of the box. So in the box, we have another box. And inside here, hold on a second. There we go. We have the keyboard itself. So before we get into the keyboard, let's see what we have inside. We have a sticker for the SteelSeries logo. Let's see if we can focus on that. There you go. We have, I'm guessing, a product manual. Yep, just showing all the products. We have a software notice, I guess you could say, to download the software off the website. And here we have terms and conditions and a manual of the keyboard. Alright, so before I move on to the keyboard, I just wanted to show the manual real quick because it's actually a good looking manual on the inside. So this is the front, this is the back, and on the inside there's details about the keyboard. And it actually looks really nice. It's actually one of the best looking manuals I've seen. And we have different languages over here. And we have pictures of the products SteelSeries has made. And that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show it because it was a good looking manual, like I said. So anyways, let's get on with the keyboard. Alright, so for the keyboard, the connections we have are a gold plated USB port, microphone and headphone jack. As for the typing on the keyboard, it's not mechanical, but it does feel nice. We have the gaming pad on the left over here and a number pad on the right. If you guys wanted to get a good look at the gaming pad, here it is. It has a whole assortment of keys that most PC gamers use. So over here we have media keys and other buttons. And on the top of the keyboard we have headphone port, microphone port, and 2 USB ports. We have 2 stands that flick up like that, and 2 rubber standoffs so that your keyboard doesn't go anywhere. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Later.